Ow. Wings. And eggs. Anyways, today, another cruise video for you. So this is going to be how to replace your cabin air filter in a first gen Cruze. And that runs up to, I think, about 2016, the first half of 2016. I think it's like 2016.5. The second half of 2016 is when it changed to second gen Cruzes, which is apparently different than this. So first of all, it is a one tool job. Fly ahead. All right, got to empty your glove box out. Let me know you drive a Cruze. Let me know you drive a Cruze. Okay, so right here on this side here is a tab, this side here, and right here is another little tab, is a string. These two tabs here hold the stops to keep the glove box from falling out. You have to pry the tab up a little bit with the focus with the screwdriver at the same time that you pull it forward, but the door has to also be kind of closed as you do this. Let me see if I can position in here so you can see it. And not so much. See if I can do it kind of one-handed. So you kind of lift the door up a little bit, you pry that out, and you slide with your finger, and the tab pops out. All right, looks like that. That's the stop on both sides that holds it from sliding around. This side as well. Slide it in, lift, slide screwdriver in, lift up, pull out. There you go. Tabs out as well. Then you have this string that keeps it from really flying all the way open. Kind of pull it out a little bit, slide it, turn it 90 degrees, slide it out through the hole. Slide it out the back side. Alright, glove box comes down, you just lift it off. It has two little hooks there that hook right onto here. Oh, okay, so right back here, right back here you have where your cabin filter is. There's a plastic tab, a little plastic hook tab on top, and a plastic tab over on the side. Push that plastic tab out of the way, try not to break it. Push this one over the way a little bit as well. And you get this underneath here, and just lift up a little bit, slide it down. Okay, slide the door down. That's a bit funky. Pull the filter out. Wow, that's dirty. All right, I'm gonna go get my shop vac really quick and vacuum this out. Be right back. Okay, I got that all cleaned out. So this is the one I'm using. MicroGard. There's the part number. Got it at O'Reilly's. It's not a HEPA filter. They sell HEPA ones if that is what you care about. Okay, here we go. You just slide the new one back in place. Make sure that the flow arrows are pointing down. Slide in there, flip up, pop the end tab, pop the end tab without breaking it. That's broken. Okay. And you take the glove box, slide it back in to where it hooks on both sides. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed as I hold the camera, obviously. It's locked in. So then you take this string back here on the side. Okay, one hand operation is not the easiest. Slide it back in there, push it through. That's in there. So let's take a clip, slide it back in. As you push it forward, push forward, lock it in, that side's in, find your other clip. It fell underneath the seat. Okay, take it, put it in the hole, slide it in. This is leaning backwards. Alright, There you go, they're locked in. Cords back in there. There you go, all done. So, probably not the easiest thing to see. I'm trying to film by myself and hold the camera with one hand, but that's it. It should take you no more than 5 minutes. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you guys next time.